The NWS in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NWS Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 10 miles south of Claysville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Washington, Canonsburg, Burgettstown, McMurray, and Monongahela. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with the storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the NWS by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.